Come on, screen's starting to light up. Somebody should catch one. Look at that screen, Tara.
Oh, yeah.
Spook you?
Oh, yeah.
Did it spook you?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Little bitty butt, baby.
Hey.
Keep doing it, baby. You're not easy. Come on. Go ahead. Keep doing it, baby.
You want him or no?
No, pop it up hard. Go down easy.
You want him or no?
No. They get bigger than that.
Can cause depression, suicidal thoughts, or actions in patients with Huntington's disease. Call your doctor if you become depressed, have sudden behavior changes, or suicidal thoughts.
Oh, she got one. All right, that's a nice fish.
And sleep loss common side effects. Know how Ingrezza affects you.
Oh, Lordy God, she caught one bigger than you, Daddy.
Yes, she did. Yes, she did.
Oh, that's a nice fish. Look at that rascal. Hot diggity
See
dog.
what it feel like.
Mama got first real fish. That rascal swallowed it. Did it spook you? Did it spook you when it hit it?
It didn't spook me, but it kind of...
No, it didn't? All right, that means you're professional.
I kind of thought... Like,
Wait, calm down, young man.
Like, is that a fish or is it just dropping
No,
it
it's
on
always
your
going to
hand?
be a fish. There's no trees or nothing. You're not going to get nothing to get hung up on down there except for fish. Come on, baby.
Got another one.
Look at this guy go.
All
All right, stop real.
Oh,
Pick it up.
Oh,
he got away.
yeah, two? Yeah, there was two of them on there. Wow. He had one on his reel too.
No, he was just hung in mine.
Okay. Dang.
You let him go, Quinn.
It's all right. We're gonna go for bigger.
That's all right. Quinn says, let him grab it again, see if he can get away.
Don't worry about it.
Did you see in that video where you said,
Yeah, you ain't mother.
but you stopped?
Yeah, I always thought I would never say it. That's I'm gonna get a shirt with a fish with a fish with a bait in it, and gonna say mother, and they gonna say the whole thing.
I got it.
That's my favorite thing. Everybody say that's all you say when you miss one. I never say the whole word. Well, I try not to.
Thing out of your hand. You get a big one now. All right, come on, baby. Big fish lollipop. Big fish lollipop.
I feel my reel get good.
All right, he got one.
When you coming up, son? Oh, kitty cat. Yeah, we'll keep it. Well, you will catch a lot of catfish too, on there. Cap don't really like fooling with them. Call them slimy diamonds.
I run 20 because I pick them up, I grab them. You know what I mean? Oh, screen's lighting up.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. I got another baby. You hit it going down. I tell you, your line may go slack before you get down, and he'll hit it going down, so you gotta hurry and come back up. That's what happened there.
All right, he got him. Oh, that's a nice fish. Stop reeling.
That's a big one. Yes.
Nice fish. Ooh, they starting to come through. Who caught that big on it? Who caught that big one in there? Oh, that was Nicole's fish.
Yep. she out casting.
If I wake up,
Like that bite one?
Yeah. Okay.
See how light that was?
Yeah, that was fun.
I barely even, I felt it, and I saw it just a little bit. Keeping him. Really slow, man. And all you're waiting for is like when you go to pick it up, it's gonna feel different. Like that, like that. Did you feel it? See how light it was? Keep it up and bent like that. And you see them? That's a big fish. And when you see them, that ain't a big fish. See, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. No, that's a big fish. Did you feel it?
Yeah,
When you started? Pick up. Mama wasn't paying attention. Come on,
I didn't know you
go.
put the fish on there.
Oh, you didn't see I put the fish on there?
Uh-uh.
Let's see what that is. I say that's a 10 3/4.
Thank you for catching that fish for me.
11 inches.
We're gonna get some crappie in the boat.
You keeping it?
Yeah, you can.
Grab the line. Let's talk. I guess the tips and stuff are hanging around the tip. All right, get him. You're cold. Got your pot. Oh, Mama Kitchen. Oh, don't really look at it. Pick it up clean, finish. Kidding, bowl. Look at Mama Kitchen. Big girl. Big girl. That's a big Shirley alert. Big Shirley alert. Let's see if that's a big Shirley, boys and girls. Ooh, 11 and 7/8. We got a big one. Move your rod to the left. Come out of the way.
You got me?
It's all right. Just wait till we get this correct capture.
Man, they go catfish.
It's a nice little bucket.
That's why I felt like that. Not the species we're looking for, but hey.
Okay, we kind of just use it to see how I stood up, see how I swung that rascal to me? I didn't do none of this over the water. Because you see how I snatched the lips off of him?
Yeah.
I know he ain't going nowhere. I know he ain't going nowhere. But he's gonna be in the hard part of the mouth. Y'all know how Daddy-O snatches them. Yeah, don't be scared to give it a little snatch.
Another small minnow.
That's 11 and 3/4.
That's about a 9.
No, it ain't no 9.
That's a what?
It's 11.
Okay.
Come on now. There's babies on this boat. Come on now. Y'all know we don't catch them little fish. We do catch them, but we throw them back. No, we don't catch those little fish. We catch big fish on the dead little tip. Big fish lollipop.
Yes, sir.
Whew. Beautiful day out here, boys and girls. Oh, look at Quinn go.
Oh, look, Mari.
Nice, very nice.
Look, Mari.
How you doing?
You ready?
I am. I see.
Nice. Yeah, stop reeling, swing it. Over the boat, There. All right. I ain't playing. That was swallowed. Pull some line.
Hold on.
Pull some line.
Okay. Hold on. It's stuck around the thing. Hold on. Go.
Pull some line. There you go. That's good. That's good. You don't break line on the tail of that catch. Come on now. You see him all over it? Oh man, he's all over it. He's all over it. He's all over it. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. Look at this guy go.
Shane! Where I brought him, so we have a fishing
Oh my God, another reel. Stop reeling. You're getting too high. Pull some line, pull some line. Pull
Come on now.
They about smack mama in the face.
My bad.
I apologize. I didn't get too happy.
That thing would've touched
Quinn
my
says he's
face.
getting too happy over here.
I'm getting too. Hey, I never catch no.
Boy, that
fish
rascal
before.
popped it in the hard part of the mouth. This guy ain't scared. Just hold the line, I'll put him in on there, then spin around and drop it down.
Guess what, son? You guys don't do it.
Let's see how big that rascal is.
I don't never catch no.
10
fish.
3/4.
You guys don't do this, son.
Look at this guy. Get him. Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Watch
Watch it.
it.
All right, look at this guy. All right, stop real. Woo-hoo.
He ain't your chill, man. He ain't your chill, man.
I don't know, Quinn. What are you doing over there that these guys ain't doing, Quinn?
I don't know.
doing
He
what
was
you
on
taught
this
me,
side
Captain.
of the
I'm doing what you
catching
taught me,
fish,
that's
so
all.
it
Doing
really
what
don't
you
matter,
taught
I guess.
Shake and bake, shake and bake.
I got the biggest fish in the
All right, let's see what that rascal is.
Oh my God, he's killing it.
11 1/4.
Shake and bake.
Shake and bake. No, I can't tell you no more. I ain't gonna tell that man no more what to do. That man knows what he's
You can
doing.
help us help us. I was going to say, people really need it.
All right, so the handicap needs some help now.
Yeah.
All right, let me see how you hold your mouth. That's what it is. He ain't holding his mouth right. Oh, I thought you just had one.
Oh, shit, I ain't got no credit.
He ain't hitting the shad. He done ate that
I'm
shad.
fishing on credit.
That fish done stole your bait. Shoplifting fool.
I'm fishing with a 450 credit. So go.
Folks, I didn't know it went that low.
Dang it.
You come bring them kids.
Right here.
Like kids.
R. Kelly.
Daddy love the kids.
R.
They was kids.
R. Kelly moment. Real. Oh, you have a fish.
Huh?
You would have a fish.
That was still mine.
He was coming up hard, man. He just finished.
That was still mine.
Well, it's still yours, my friend.
He said, I'm counting. Hard part of the mouth. You okay, honey? I don't have any Advil or anything like that. Oh, I might have some.
I just took my nausea pill. I hope it kick in.
I think the wife did put some in my first aid kit.
I really can't take no pills.
Look at this guy go.
I just gotta let it
I think we
subside.
found the spot where they're fighting.
Oh,
She's
shit,
swinging
I
that.
didn't
No,
get
ain't no
it.
catfish. They're swinging, don't.
Ooh, now. Oh, my bad.
Oh, look. Now you about to slap him in the face.
Yeah,
Don't put him back over the water.
No, I got it. Look at that fish there. Ah, baby. Now I'll show him how it's done.
Right.
Oh, shit.
That should be it.
Gotta get in the car to get the damn.
Oh, look at the size of
In the
that.
car to do what?
To get your key, Tierra, to get your key, where's your key? Hold on one second. Tierra, is Tierra there? Another car?
Ooh, look at him go.
Just keep it.
Keeping him.
Yeah,
It was tight like this. Just pull. That's good. In the hard part of the mouth. Quinn knows how to pop it.
Hey, thanks to Cap.
Look at this guy go. Stop there. Pull some line with a sword like that. Bring it back here to me.
Keep him. You got to go back.
There you go, right there from the car.
I think this guy got the memo that we're crappie fishing now.
Yeah.
I got it. Oh, I got the memo.
Hey.
I got the memo. Really getting on fire.
You will?
You didn't want to keep my little fish, but you want to keep yours.
Look at this guy go. Quinn, got a big girl. He said, Dad, when his dad takes him fishing, he said, he said he's gonna catch more fish than his dad now. Look at that, that's a big Shirley. Big Shirley alert, big Shirley alert. Let's see if that's a big Shirley.
Create that Frankenstein.
12 on the money, honey.
Yes, sir. We even now. Gotta get bigger, we even now. Create that monster cap.
Look at this guy go. Daddy'll catching up to his son. Watch out, Quinn.
That's a monster too, but don't worry about it. It's a monster.
You swinging, you want me to get the net? Oh my God!
That's a monster. I can't lift him up, son. That's a monster.
Pull some line.
Oh, I got the.
Golly,
I
that's
got
a
the
big
biggest.
girl.
I got the
Ooh,
biggest.
that's a rerun. Holy smokes!
Yeah,
Oh,
buddy.
you close the bell.
Oh yeah.
Pull it.
Yeah.
Yeah, when it's tight like that. Look at that rascal dance.
Put him on the measure.
Oh,
Measure him up so my son know how to catch him.
Ooh, 14 on the money, honey. Ooh. Battery went dead. I don't know if I got the footage or not. I won't know till I get home and get it uploaded to the computer. But if I didn't get it, Mama Nicole caught last fish. It was a 12. What did I say it was? 12 1/4. Big Shirley. Then Terrell, he caught one, probably about 10 3/4. So right now, as we stand, Terrell's caught last fish, but Mom caught big last fish. Woo! Quinn's trying to pull a rabbit out of his hat. Trying to pull a rabbit out of his hat here at the end. All right, Nicole. Did you catch big fish?
I did.
All right, she caught big fish. You did catch last fish, but then your husband beat you out.
I
But
caught
yours
one
was
of
bigger.
each, too.
Yeah, and
I'm
you
the only one one
caught
of
big
each.
last fish. She caught a big Shirley for last fish, and of course Pops over here catches about a 10 3/4. So we call him catching last fish. We call her catching last big fish. Quinn, did you learn anything today?
Yes, sir.
What'd you learn?
I learned a few.
You gonna spank his butt next time y'all go fishing?
Taught me a lot to get him
All right, yeah, fun.
I had
Tara.
a great time.
All right, till we're out here again next time, guys. Should start doing more striper and hybrid. Y'all saw in the video we messed with some spooning for them this morning. We couldn't get on them that good, but anyway, they got a cooler full of fish. Until we are out here next time, boys and girls. Can't see the striper and hybrid down there. They covered up with crappie. Y'all take care.